Hey everyone, the top 10 fast food places in the world, shocking facts and the history of food powerhouses. Today, I invite you on a journey around the world of fast food. Because you must know that this seemingly banal world of burgers, fries, and coffee hides many fascinating stories and surprising facts. Let's get started.
McDonald's. Who among us hasn't eaten there at least once? A Big Mac, a McFlurry, a cheeseburger? These flavors are known by millions or even billions of people around the world. But the story of this giant began humbly, with a small hamburger stand in San Bernardino, California. The McDonald brothers, Richard and Morris, opened their first restaurant in 1940, focusing on speed and simplicity. Today, McDonald's has over 41,800 locations in over 100 countries, serving over 69 million meals a day. It's a true empire.
And now let's move on to the world of sandwiches. Our hero will be Subway, the chain that for years held the top spot in terms of the number of locations, surpassing even McDonald's itself. Fred DeLuca, a young man dreaming of medical school, borrows $1,000 from Peter Buck, a family friend, and opens a sandwich shop. And you know what? It was a bullseye. A low entry threshold for franchisees, a simple concept, and fresh ingredients made Subway grow stronger. Today, there are over 33,600 locations in 93 countries. And now, my friends, it's time for coffee. And not just any coffee, because we're moving into the world of Starbucks, the coffee shop chain that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions of people around the world. Starbucks was born in 1971 in Seattle, and its founders, Jerry Baldwin, Zev Siegel, and Gordon Bowker, were inspired by the character of Starbuck, the first mate from the novel Moby Dick. Initially, Starbucks was meant to be a small coffee roastery, but it quickly transformed into a meeting place where you could enjoy an aromatic drink in a cozy atmosphere. Today, Starbucks has over 38,000 locations in over 80 countries.
And now, my dears, it's time for chicken. And not just any chicken, because we are moving to the world of KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, a chain of restaurants serving crispy pieces of chicken according to Colonel Sanders' secret recipe. Harlan Sanders, for that was the Colonel's name, started by selling fried chicken at a gas station in Kentucky. His secret? A unique blend of 11 herbs and spices, the recipe of which remains a closely guarded secret to this day. KFC today has over 28,000 locations in 145 countries. And now, my friends, it's time for a clash of the titans. We move into the world of Burger King, the restaurant chain that has been battling McDonald's itself for the hearts and stomachs of customers for years. Burger King was founded in 1954 in Florida, and its creators, Keith Kramer and Matthew Burns, were inspired by McDonald's. Yes, you heard right. Their flagship product? Of course, the Whopper, a juicy burger with beef, tomato, lettuce, cucumber, onion, and mayonnaise, which has enjoyed unflagging popularity for years. Burger King today has over 19,000 locations in over 100 countries. And now, my friends, it's pizza time. And not just any pizza, because we are moving into the world of Domino's Pizza, the pizza chain that revolutionized the food delivery market. Domino's Pizza was founded in 1960 in Michigan, and its founders, brothers Tom and James Monaghan, focused on simplicity, speed, and home delivery. Domino's Pizza was the first to introduce a 30-minute delivery guarantee, and their distinctive domino-shaped logo cars have become a permanent fixture in the urban landscape. Today, Domino's Pizza has over 20,000 locations in over 90 countries.
Pizza Hut is a true veteran in the pizza market, operating since 1958. Its story began in Wichita, Kansas, with a modest restaurant run by brothers Frank and Dan Carney. Pizza Hut became famous not only for its delicious pizza, but also for its innovative approach to business. Today, Pizza Hut has over 18,000 locations in over 100 countries, offering a wide selection of pizzas, appetizers, and desserts. Although the name might suggest otherwise, Dunkin is not just about donuts. The company was founded in 1950 in Quincy, Massachusetts as Open Kettle House, but quickly changed its name to Dunkin' Donuts, focusing on the combination of donuts and coffee. Dunkin' is a true American icon, and their variety of donuts and aromatic coffee have won the hearts and taste buds of millions of Americans. Today, Dunkin has over 13,000 locations in 40 countries, and the company is increasingly entering the coffee market, competing with Starbucks.
Wendy's is a fast food restaurant chain that stands out from the competition with its square burgers. The company was founded in 1969 in Ohio, and its founder, Dave Thomas, named it after his daughter, Wendy. Wendy's is known for its high-quality beef, fresh ingredients, and signature square burgers, which were meant to give the impression of larger portions. Today, Wendy's has over 7,000 locations in over 30 countries. Taco Bell is a fast food restaurant chain that serves Mexican-inspired dishes. The company was founded in 1962 in California, and its founder, Glenn Bell, wanted to create an alternative to burgers and fries. Taco Bell is famous for its tacos, burritos, and nachos, which are served with various additions such as meat, cheese, salsa, sour cream, and guacamole. The company focuses on bold flavors and affordable prices, and their Bell logo has become a recognizable symbol around the world. Today, Taco Bell has over 8,000 locations in over 30 countries. Well, as you can see, the world of fast food is not only about quick snacks and calorie bombs, but also fascinating stories, innovative ideas, and considerable controversy. You are probably wondering which of these giants enjoy the greatest recognition among customers. Well, according to global rankings, Starbucks tops the list with a rating of 8.7 out of 10. Domino's Pizza came in second, 8.4, winning the hearts of customers with fast delivery and tasty pizza. McDonald's, although still popular, is only in fourth place, 8.0, and customers are increasingly criticizing them for the variable quality of their dishes. KFC and Taco Bell also have their loyal fans who appreciate their distinct flavors and creative menus. That's all for today's material. I hope this journey through the world of fast food was interesting and inspiring for you. Let me know in the comments which of these places you liked the most. And if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss any more videos. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up too. Thanks for watching. Take care. Until next time, bye.